My name is Margaret LaLiberte and I'm the Amigos Mental Health Coordinator. Dr. Voorhees talked to you about safeguarding your physical health, and I'm going to talk to you about safeguarding your head, your mental health. You're ready to go, you've learned a lot, and you're moving into a brand new exciting adventure. I want you to know that along with new adventures often come anxiety and fearfulness and homesickness and sometimes feeling low about how things are going on your project, other times feeling very happy, but lots of mixed feelings and lots of mixed emotions. Amigos holds very firm to the idea of taking care of our volunteers' health and safety, and when we talk about that we mean mental health as well as physical health. There are a few tools that we have that you've learned about and that I want to reiterate for you that will really help you to safeguard your mental health. Some of those are taking care of your communication skills, being active and proactive and advocating for yourself when you're not feeling well, by talking with your partner, by talking with your project supervisor, and by writing, journaling, thinking on your own about what you're doing and what a great adventure this is. A lot of times we go back and read, volunteers go back and read their personal coping inventory, which you should have done by now or will be doing, which gives you a feeling of power over yourself because you're talking now to yourself about what your strengths are, what your adaptive skills are, what your coping mechanisms are. You're learning all about yourself, recording that before you go to country and when you feel badly in country, if you have a bad day, if you're feeling down in the dumps, if you're feeling sad or lonely, you can go back and read what you said to yourself on your personal coping inventory. You can learn from reading what your strengths are again while you're in a vulnerable situation. You can learn by reading what you wrote that you'll do fine if you use your strengths that you identified earlier. So we encourage you to write that personal coping inventory and to read it over and over to yourself from time to time while you're in country. Also, your project supervisor has been through your experience, is a seasoned veteran volunteer with experience and empathy, and they're glad to listen to the kinds of things that are challenging for you, but they can't know what's going on unless you speak to them about how you're feeling. So we encourage you to use your communication skills in talking to your supervisor as well. Your partner may be feeling some of the same things that you're feeling, or maybe they have some suggestions that might be helpful to you. So being a good partner and having a good partner is so important in Amigos as another source of support. Most of our volunteers, once they get through the first couple weeks of cultural adjustment, go forward and have a wonderful summer, a challenging summer, a hard summer, but are very equipped with what they need to get through. If you feel that you're having more difficulty than you expected, or if you have negative or sad or depressed feelings that don't seem to go away, it's most important for you to let your supervisor know so that we can decide what kind of support we can give you that will get you back on track and help you to finish out your summer. Most of you will do great, and I'm looking forward to hearing your stories when you return. Adios.